Welcome to TechBuzz. So Samsung recently launched its premium flagship phone, Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, for a price tag of Rs 1,06,000 for 12GB 256GB variant and a whopping Rs 1,17,000 for 16GB 512GB variant. And if you are planning to buy Galaxy S21 Ultra, then you should definitely watch the full video as this may help you to make the right choice. And this will be a completely honest review as this phone is not sent by the brand, but I have arranged it myself, so no embargo thing. In this video, we will do an in-depth review of Galaxy S21 Ultra, we'll test out its gaming and camera performance, mention its pros and cons, and will finally suggest you whether you should buy S21 Ultra or not. There's a surprise as well for you guys, so do watch the full video. Samsung has launched 3 new phones in the Galaxy S series, which are Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, and all of them are power pack beast with the newly launched Exynos 2100 chipset and with amazing cameras. We have already uploaded Galaxy S21 Ultra speed test with the top 2 premium smartphones, iPhone 12 Pro Max and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can watch those videos by clicking on the card on the top right corner. Before going ahead, today I will introduce you to one of the best applications for trade, which is GuruTrade 7. GuruTrade 7 is a reliable trading platform with the most popular financial market assets and currencies like rupees, euros, US dollars, pounds and many others, as well as other assets. And registration is very easy on this app. GuruTrade 7 provides 24/7 trading platform with several assets, and some OTC assets even support trading on weekends. They have real-time quotes and fastest trading order execution. In addition, even financial beginners can quickly get started on GuruTrade 7. The minimum investment amount is only 100 rupees and they can be recharged with Paytm or UPI, which is very convenient and secure. And once you register on the app, you also get a demo account with 10,000 rupees to try out the app first. Then you can start trading with real money. The interface is very easy and provides all the performance reports of trading. So don't wait and earn more profits from GuruTrade 7 app. Download the app from the link in the description and start trading. Now first, let's check out what's good about S21 Ultra. This phone is running on Android 11 with latest One UI 3, and since it's running on One UI 3, the animations feel much more smoother and the UI looks much better and fresh compared to One UI 2.5. S21 Ultra can handle any task like a breeze, and since it has a 120Hz refresh rate display, scrolling and swiping looks buttery smooth, but battery drain is quick on 120Hz mode, so it's better to use 60Hz when not needed. It has a 5000 mAh battery, so S21 Ultra can easily last for a day with normal usage on single charge, and I'm getting 8.2 hours of screen on time on 60Hz mode on this phone. It also supports fast charging up to 25 watts, but sadly the charging adapter is not provided in the box. Design-wise, the phone looks premium with punch-hole display and front and back glass body with Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The back panel has a matte finish and the camera module is the best part of its design. In this phantom black stealthy avatar, S21 Ultra looks stunning and the way in which the camera module blends with the aluminum frame looks really beautiful. But yes, the camera bump is still huge and can get easily scratched if you keep your phone on the table. The phone is available in phantom black and phantom silver color. I am impressed by the overall looks of Galaxy S21 Ultra. At the bottom is the mic, Type-C USB port, speaker grill and SIM card slot. This phone comes with a single SIM slot only and there is no provision for SD card. The lock and the volume buttons are on the right side. At the top is the secondary mic. At the back is a quad camera setup with LED flash and laser autofocus module. On the front is a single punch-hole selfie camera and earpiece, which also acts as a speaker as this phone has stereo speakers. The grip while using is decent. The phone feels slightly slippery due to matte finish back panel and one-hand usage is not possible. It also feels uncomfortable to use as it is much heavy and thicker compared to other phones in the market. One thing that Samsung has added in the S21 series is that you can use S Pen with this phone. Although it was exclusive to Note series earlier, but reports are coming in that there will be no proper successor of Note 20 Ultra and 2021 will be the last year of Note series. So the basic tasks like writing, clicking and all work on the Galaxy S21 series. The display even recognizes the S Pen when it's slightly above the screen, so you can also use glance features. But sadly the air gestures don't work currently, which work on Note series. And also the button that's available on the S Pen doesn't work, so having this feature is an advantage, but it's not working fully. Galaxy S21 Ultra is powered by Exynos 2100 chipset with an octa-core processor and Mali G78 MP14 GPU globally. Whereas in USA, it is powered by Snapdragon 888 chipset with an octa-core processor and Adreno 660 GPU. But this time there's not much performance gap between Exynos and Snapdragon variants. In India, it's available with 2 storage options, 256GB with 12GB of RAM and 512GB with 16GB of RAM. Ours is the 256GB Exynos variant. Exynos 2100 is much better than its predecessor in terms of performance and is a really good processor for gaming. You can play high-end games on this phone without any issue. There's no lag or frame drops and the games run on highest graphics. Call of Duty also runs on very high graphics with max FPS and with all the enhancements on. The graphics look stunning, the game runs smoothly, and you can see there is no lag at all. There's no stuttering or graphic loading issue of objects that are far away. You will not regret if you buy this phone for gaming purpose since it has a 240Hz touch sampling rate, so touch sensitivity while gaming is just phenomenal. But there's a downside as well. I don't know about the Snapdragon variant, but this Exynos variant heats up quickly while gaming. Like while making the video, the back panel and side frame heated in just 15 minutes of Call of Duty playback, so that may bother some people. If you want to see my comparison of S21 Ultra with Exynos 2100 with Note 20 Ultra with Exynos 990 chipset, then you can watch the video by clicking on the card on the top right corner. Now talking about the camera, S21 Ultra has a quad camera setup, a 108MP f1.8 aperture camera with face detection autofocus, optical image stabilizer and laser autofocus, a 10MP f4.9 aperture periscope telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom, 100x space zoom, dual pixel face detection autofocus and optical image stabilizer. Third is a 10MP f2.4 aperture telephoto camera with dual pixel face detection autofocus, optical image stabilizer and 3x optical zoom. And the last one is a 12MP f2.2 aperture ultra wide angle camera with dual pixel face detection autofocus and super steady video mode. There are many features in the stock camera app like ultra wide angle mode, portrait mode with effects, portrait video with effects, night mode, pro mode, HDR, live filters, ultra steady video, beauty mode and panorama. You can shoot 8K videos at 24fps and 960fps super slow motion videos. This phone can also shoot HDR10 plus videos. At the front is a 40MP f2.2 aperture selfie camera which can shoot 4K videos at 60fps and 120fps slow motion selfie videos. You also get portrait mode, night mode, live filters and beauty mode in the front camera as well. So let's check out some camera samples. S21 Ultra has an amazing camera setup, daytime pictures look stunning, colors are saturated, there are loads of details in the photos and the ultra wide angle mode is also useful for capturing some good shots. The 100x zoom is the icing on the cake and you can see so much details of objects that are far away. Portraits are great, but since it crops in from the main sensor, some details look blurred out. HDR works without any issue, the details of the sky and foreground are well maintained. Indoor shots in artificial lighting conditions are nice and the intelligent camera mode bumps up the colors for better look. The low light performance is outstanding and even in extremely dark conditions, the night mode can help you to capture some good shots. The 40MP selfie camera also captures some amazing shots, the selfies look good, color tones are maintained and the selfies have good amount of details. This is a video sample from Galaxy S21 Ultra. This phone can shoot HDR videos but you guys won't be able to see it, so I exported my video in standard dynamic range. As you can see, the colors are great, the video is quite stable and the audio recording is also impressive on this device. For security, it comes with in-display fingerprint scanner which is quite fast and secure. It also has face unlock which is extremely fast, but security wise it's not that great. Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 1440 by 3200 resolution and 515 ppi density. It is also HDR10 plus compliant and has a 120Hz refresh rate. Since it's an AMOLED display, the colors are saturated, the display is quite sharp and has an amazing contrast ratio. Overall brightness of the screen is top notch and the viewing angle is also great by the way. This phone has dual speakers, one at the bottom and other one at the earpiece. The sound is really loud, it's crisp and you also get a slight bass feeling, so it's quite impressive. Galaxy S21 Ultra is a 5G device, so it's future proof as well and you can expect amazing data speed on this phone in the future. So that was all about S21 Ultra. Galaxy S21 Ultra is a beast phone. It looks premium, the camera is one of the best in the flagship segment, especially while zooming. This phone will not disappoint you while gaming except for the heating issue. And it can easily last for a day with normal usage on single charge. We are giving away this phone to one of you as a giveaway and all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, like and share the video and comment below anything related to this phone. I will announce the winner on my Instagram and Facebook page once this video gets 3000 likes. So do follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. The links of our Facebook and Instagram page are mentioned in the description below. And I know you guys can do it easily. So all the best to you guys. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.